So here we have our Hinge Bracket, which is essentially a radiator that's hinged at the top. Just open it up there, and you can see that all of the come in here. You can see we use a couple of gas struts here just to pivot the radiator at the top, bring it out there at the bottom. Connected then, all of the connections are all kind of sealed behind. We have the pipe work, which will be recessed in the wall coming out the back there. This is essentially a fully working model with two stainless steel braided hoses just to make the final connections. And as you can see, you can get easy adjustment onto the valve there, change it to your desired temperature setting, and then gentle shove, pops it up, it's back to its beautiful mirror in exploring. And that's Hinge Bracket.